All right, here's the very latest with a live look at our Valley Skycam. You're looking at Interstate 94 through the FM area, and there is some snow beginning to accumulate on the interstate now. A recent measurement, about 3/4 of an inch, has fallen here in Fargo. Let's take a look at our Dakota Magic Casino cam. This is at exit 1 of I-29. Some flakes flying there, and from time to time, some more brisk winds. Right now, as we take a look at your current conditions, it's 19, the wind at 13 miles per hour. Out of the east-northeast, and it's that northeasterly flow tonight that will be persistent at around 10 to 25 miles per hour. That will cause a little bit of blowing and a little bit of drifting of the snow that falls. Temperatures are warmest in the Southern Valley, and with this easterly flow, we may see temperatures pump up a notch or two for our viewers out to the north and to the west. But for tonight, we do have a winter storm warning. You've seen this crawling across the bottom of your screen, but this storm system coming in 2 waves. Let's take a look at the very latest on the radar. Right now, here's our first wave of snow, and it's moving off to the north and east. It is wrapping up in western North Dakota, where we have reports of 3 to 3.5 inches in Glen Olin, 7.5 inches in the Watford City area. Now, we have some bands of more heavy snow in northeast South Dakota pushing into southeast North Dakota right now. Now, this storm system's way down here. Here's punch number 1. Punch number 2 will come later, but this moisture, one thing that makes it difficult to forecast is that sometimes those showers and thunder showers down to the south will rob the moisture available to make snow here. Let's hope that happens. That'll limit some of our snowfall potential. But for now, this heavy band not far from Aberdeen, moving north and east towards southeast North Dakota over the next few hours. Some rapidly accumulating snow is likely. Here's round 1 into Thursday morning, and then round 2 right down here will make its way up Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. Comes with a lot more wind with blizzard potential in this time frame, Thursday night into Friday morning. So your hour-by-hour forecast shows tonight, yep, snow is going to continue to accumulate. If you have places to go or supplies to get tonight or very early tomorrow, might be your best bet for getting out. As we go through the overnight hours, the snow continues to push through the Arrowhead of Minnesota, and we may rise and shine with quieter conditions as far as snowfall is concerned. Your wind from the east or north at around 15 miles per hour. Nothing too strong yet. Temperatures in the teens and 20s. Heading into the midday hour, we'll start to see an increase in wind. Notice the yellow arrows there? Those are gusts over 40 miles per hour at times. They will spread north and east as the storm intensifies and moves in our direction. Now, the second wave of storm is going to impact the Southern Valley, southeast North Dakota, into central Minnesota, as well as southern Minnesota by my kneecaps down here, with heavy snow and wind, and there will be a potential for some blizzard conditions there. By late tomorrow night, the snow begins to exit. The wind lasts so into Friday morning, so it could be quite nasty. The 2 waves of snow by tomorrow morning, we'll see between 2 and 8 inches on the ground across our Red River Valley. As we go through the second wave of snow, you might get 2 punches down near places like Hankinson, Lidgerwood, and into Lakes Country. 8 to 15 plus inches possible there. Fargo, 5 to 11 inches into the Bemidji area. Now, Grand Forks, 3 to 6 plus. The plus means you could have a few spots out here with 8 inches of snow, and lesser amounts to the far north where the air is just too cool and too dry. So here's a look at that. Day 2, second punch warnings, winter storm warnings for the Red River Valley into northern and central Minnesota. Blizzard warnings for now have been hoisted already for parts of North Dakota and South Dakota. This may expand, so stay tuned to the latest on that as the storm system begins to unfold. For tomorrow, 20s, gradually decreasing temperatures in the afternoon with an increasing wind from the north gusting over 40 miles per hour at times, and 0 visibility. So tomorrow afternoon into the evening looks tough for travel anywhere in our viewing area because snow that's already on the ground up north will be blowing and drifting as well. Rainbow in December near War Road. Thanks for sharing that, Sarah. Here is a look at your planning forecast. Temperatures falling like a 2-ton heavy thing as we go into Friday, and 4 will seem warm by the time you wake up on Saturday morning. 25 below will be possible in a few spots. Then we warm up a bit for Sunday, and then the New Year's holiday looks like another cold punch with a few flakes.
The words of the week, 4 will seem warm. Yeah.
It's just the way it is sometimes.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, Ed.
You bet.